Big up the Sweet Farm. Subscribe to this farm.
The Sweet family.
Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Subscribe to the Sweet family, you know what I mean? I original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. I represent for Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
You see, you wash care baby.
I'm afraid.
I'm free.
Look for something.
Yeah.
Look for something.
Yeah, look for something.
Walk for something. Wash there or something.
Yeah, wash here for something. Oh yeah, that's it. A nice hot and spicy date.
Barbecue too. Original.
Yeah, the original pan the date too. Oh yeah, that's it.
I'll catch a half hour to the ball game.
Yeah, let's catch ball game.
Yeah, that's some ball.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm going to play for the whole time, but I'll play some ball.
When? Really?
Really?
Are you crazy? You can't play no game. You have to leave that to Tayron and Tariq and Tyrese.
It's an exercise, and I get no other power.
Oh, hi. Yeah guys, there's a drought going on in Jamaica, so we can't get any. There's no car wash. They said they're fighting against people washing cars, so we have to use one bucket of water and clean the car. Yeah, so drought in Jamaica, hence we have to use a bucket of water we back our yard and clean the car. Yeah.
I never did.
The front, yeah, and the thingy there, the mirrors as well. People, you hear that? That's a car, you know. Yes, guys, have a lot of fruit tree. Hockey. Hockey in the yard. We have breadfruit tree. I see a breadfruit on it still. We have apple tree. And start blossoming it. That's my father. Breadfruit on your tree.
Yeah, you never see them, but we take a stock.
Damn.
Dry all them and I'll drop off one, then get
Oh, the drought affect
they
everything,
go,
man. Yeah, guys, so. So we have mango tree as well. We have mango tree. See, look, baby mango them. Yeah. Small mangoes. Yeah. So, you know, a couple months time we're gonna have enough mango. And next breadfruit tree. Some small. I think it's the season where everything is blooming now. Buy some of everything ready. Yeah. Where coming on, sir?
Coming on good so far, you know.
When you're there in Jamaica, when you're in Jamaica, mosquito won't bite off your foot, so you have to make sure so you take with your father's ziggy and bone a little thing as well. But that's what now come out.
Yeah, man, smoke. I'm moving on this here.
Come and blow some smoke for Richard.
She not left you out right.
Mosquito bites him up.
You touch him already?
If him try this in choke guys, so we not make him try it. have to blow it on him. Blow off the mask.
Just come in like the little thing down on the beach and then taste it and have to spit it out. Yes.
6 months ago, walk.
Yeah.
I go back and walk. I go back to England. Stay here. I eat breadfruit. Necessary. Sige, my father. Back here, sige. My father not easy. They love a fool in the street. Watch him. Sweet him backside. Ay.
It's alright, alive. We have
Gosh.
life, all things can be had.
Yeah, that cure any little cola or anything with it,
Yeah.
where did that build up? Yeah, yes guys, so the car is looking much better now. Yeah, drought in Jamaica, can't get a car. But you missed this one, you missed here.
That's what we're coming up. I mean, alright, that's a minute.
Yeah, get the blame for. Aye. I getting the blame for it. No. All right, yeah, man. Yes, guys. So we got on sale. Life in Jamaica.